The future perfect. Continuous tense is used to describe an action that will be ongoing in the future until a specific point in time. This tense is essential when talking about actions that will have been happening for a duration of time up to a certain point or event in the future. In this tutorial, we will explore how this tense can be used to envision sustained land preservation work. Imagine a world where environmental conservation efforts have been ongoing for decades. By the year 2050, environmentalists will have been working tirelessly to protect and preserve forests, wetlands, and other habitats for wildlife. Organizations such as the World Wildlife Fund will have been raising awareness about the importance of sustainable land management practices. By then, many countries around the world will have been implementing policies to protect natural areas and biodiversity. In the year 2070, scientists will have been monitoring the health of ecosystems for over 50 years. They will have been conducting research on the impact of climate change on fragile habitats and species. By then, they will have been developing innovative solutions to mitigate the effects of global warming on the environment. In the year 2100, governments will have been investing in the restoration of degraded lands for over a century. They will have been collaborating with local communities to implement land reclamation projects. By then, vast tracts of land will have been restored to their natural state, providing habitat for endangered species and preserving biodiversity. In the year 2150, our planet will have been benefiting from sustained land preservation efforts for over a century and a half. By then, future generations will have been enjoying the beauty and richness of our natural world, thanks to the ongoing work of dedicated conservationists. The future perfect continuous tense allows us to imagine a future where the preservation of land and ecosystems is a continuous, ongoing effort that spans generations. In conclusion, the future perfect continuous tense is a powerful tool for envisioning sustained land preservation work. By using this tense,